Hello Bladers. We want our phones to always be in front of us. This is especially true for instances when we need to check for important messages or calls coming in, or if we need help in directions. It has become a necessity for traveling, going to unfamiliar places, or even just visiting a friend's house. Here are the things that we need to consider in choosing a car phone holder. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Things to consider in buying a car phone holder. Number 1. Durability. You don't want your phone falling from its holder. Make sure to look for a phone holder that is strong enough in holding your mobile throughout the entire ride, despite the bumps, sudden brakes, and speed. Number 2. Attachment style. Choose a style that is comfortable to you. There are choices from dashboard mounts, air vents mounts, CD slots mounts to adhesive mounts. Have your phone placed where you can easily see it without trying. Number 3. User-friendly. Mounting and dismounting your phone should not take too much effort. Having to stay inside your car for a second longer during a busy day can cause inconveniences. Choose a holder that is easy to use. Number 4. Charging ability. It's important to find a mount that allows you to charge your phone whenever you need it. There are various of phone designs. Look for a mount that has an opening that matches your phone's. Some mounts have a feature that will charge your phone. If your car can't charge your phone, you can get a mount that does. Number 5. Phone compatibility. And last but not the least, make sure that your phone and phone mount is compatible. A quick double check won't hurt, right? A lot of mounts offer a universal fit and some has a fit dedicated on a specific design. It'll save you the hassle if you choose the right car phone holder on your first try. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.